Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a topic of multiplication versus division. So what is the difference between multiplication and division? Most of the students, they get confused while doing multiply or divide, that what they have to do. So first of all, the very first difference is this: you are asked about the total in multiplication question. कोई भी multiplication question हो, आपको total पूछा जाएगा. You will be asked. And in division, the total is already given in the question. Clear? Second is, you know how many groups or the parts and the size of each group and part. In multiplication questions, you know how many groups are there, how many parts are there, and size of each group and each part, that is given. But in division question, you are asked about how many groups are there, how many parts are there, and size of each group or the part, that will also be asked. I will discuss one question with you so that you can understand. Now the keywords, the basic keywords in multiplication question is multiply, or you are asked about find the product, by, times, lots of. These type of keywords are given in multiplication question. And the keywords for division is divide, find a quotient, goes into, how many times, how many. This word is common in division problems. Divided equally, or equals to, or average, each, per. These words are common in division problem. Clear? So basically what we have to do, we have to find out the total in multiplication problem, and in division problem we have to find out what the each person is getting. Clear? Next is, it is the way of adding together the group of number, like it is a shortcut. Like if I want to find out 3 apples each 4 students want to have, then how many apples they need? Then 4 students are there and 3 apples each student will be getting, then 3 multiplied by 4, that will be 12. You want to find out the total here. यहाँ पे total पूछा गया है. And what is division? It is the way of subtraction of the numbers. It is like a shortcut. Like you are given 12 apples, you want to divide it among 3 students. So what will you do? You want to find out how many students, you want to find out how many apples each student will get, that is 4. Or you can do vice versa also. अगर 4 बच्चों में distribute करने हैं, then you will divide 12 by 4. Clear? Then each student will get 3 apples. So we see the number of groups in the division. We always find out the number of groups in the division. Or what you can say, on the whole, both are the inverse of each other. दोनों ही एक दूसरे के inverse हैं. Whether it is multiplication or it is division. Let us discuss one example. If cost of one sari is rupees 1200, then find the cost of 12 saris. Now we know the cost of one sari. We are given only cost of one sari. We have to find out the cost of 12 saris. तो हमें एक से ज़्यादा के लिए find करना है. Then what we will do? We will do multiply here. Clear? So cost of one sari is given, that is rupees 1200, and cost of 12 saris. तो हमें ज़्यादा के लिए find करना है, तो what we will do? We will just multiply it, and the answer will comes out to be 14400, 14,400. So this was the question of multiplication. See the question of division. Prize money of rupees 6,633 was distributed equally among 11 players. Now how much each will get? See, the 2 keywords are there, equally and each. So what we have to do? Division here. Clear? So total money you are given, that is rupees 6,633. So number of players are 11. So each will get how much money? So you have to just divide it among 11 players. So each will get rupees 603. So I hope you understand how we have to choose whether we have to do multiplication or division. Thank you.